Prevent tile lippage by controlling the substrate, adhesive, tile placement, and quality checks at every step. Start by confirming the subfloor is flat within 1/4 of an inch over a 10-foot span using a straight edge and a feeler gauge, and if it is not, plan for self-leveling compound or plywood underlayment to create a uniform plane. Choose a high-quality thinset rated for your tile type and the conditions, and mix to the manufacturer's specified consistency so it holds its ribs and does not slump. Use the thinset back buttering method for larger tiles by applying a thin solid layer to the back of the tile and combing additional thinset on the floor so you get full contact and avoid voids that cause rocking. Employ a tile leveling system that uses clips and wedges or caps to force adjacent tile edges to sit flush as the thinset cures, and tighten those devices just until the tiles are flush without overcompressing the mortar bed. Check each tile as you place it with a small spirit level or a 2-foot level held across the joint, and tap tiles gently with a rubber mallet on a wood grout float to seat them evenly and expel air pockets. Keep joint widths consistent with appropriate spacers, and allow the thinset to partially cure before removing leveling devices so the tiles do not shift and develop lippage while the mortar is still soft. Common mistakes include installing over an uneven substrate, which causes tiles to bridge and rock. Correct that by grinding high spots and filling low spots with a feather finish or self-leveling compound before tiling. Another frequent issue is using too little or too much adhesive, which leads to voids or tile float. The fix is to back butter larger tiles and use the correct notch trowel size to achieve at least 80% coverage for floor installations in dry areas and full coverage for wet or outdoor conditions. A third problem is removing leveling devices too early or over-tightening them so tiles can't settle. Wait until the thinset has reached its specified initial set time and adjust wedges only enough to align edges without crushing the mortar bed. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and post-project details so they can compare bids and read community feedback. We also give contractors a place to find leads, share experience, and participate in our discussion community to troubleshoot techniques and get peer advice.